Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Ralph, and in this video, I want to talk about how you can get paid in crypto without getting involved in a regular cryptocurrency type venture. If you've been around for a while, you know that sometimes getting involved in a cryptocurrency earning opportunity can be a very risky venture. Sometimes, I have been involved in some cryptocurrency programs that looked good in the beginning, and then you stay with them for a few months, and then lo and behold, they fall apart. They collapse. And it's like the wild, wild west. It certainly was back in 2013 when I first got started in some cryptocurrency earnings programs. And I don't know. I really don't know if things have improved that much since then. I think there are some solid programs out there, but you really have to be careful before you get into anything like that. You really got to do your own research. But there is a way that you can earn crypto in a program that is not a strict cryptocurrency type operation. And one way of doing this, very easy way, is to just investigate different affiliate marketing programs that are selling, non-crypto type products and that have the option of paying in cryptocurrency. And there was one lead generating system that I was in for a while, and they had the option. You could earn commissions in that lead generating system, and they would pay you either in your local currency via bank transfer, or they could pay you out in cryptocurrency. And that was a fairly nice program while that lasted. It kind of fell apart towards the end because they were providing leads that really weren't that good. And when I discovered that, when it got to that venture, when it got to that point in the program, I backed out of it. I don't like promoting stuff that is junk. I like promoting stuff that is high quality products, high quality programs. But there are other programs out there that do, offer very good affiliate products and give you the option of getting paid out in either your local currency or in cryptocurrency. My favorite to date is the Home Business Academy. That is a program that has been around for 8 years, has high quality trainings to help people get started in affiliate marketing. They have high quality tools like their funnel builder that affiliate marketers and network marketers both need. And it's reasonably priced. It's one of the best funnel builders that I have seen since I've been in this industry. And they have the option of paying you out either in your local currency or in cryptocurrency, depending on your location. The option for crypto is not there for every country, but it's there for a lot of different countries. So if you want to earn in crypto, but you don't want to take the chance of getting involved in a cryptocurrency earnings venture, try finding a really solid affiliate marketing program that will pay you either in your currency via bank transfer or in cryptocurrency. If you want to take a look at our business, go to my main affiliate link, which is ralphshomebiz.com. That's ralphshomebiz.com, and the link is in the program description down below. We've been around for 8 years. It's a solid company, and we intend to be around for a lot longer than just that. So yeah, check us out. Have the option, depending on where you're at, of earning either in your local currency or in cryptocurrency, namely Bitcoin is how we pay out. So hope you found some value in this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you later in future updates. Till then, take care. Have a great day. And this is Ralph signing out. Bye-bye.